in an area where survival is the first priority. Here, in Nairobi's informal settlements of Mathare, some children and parents alike are giving up on education to look for food and roof over their head, a situation that is locking them out of schooling. And this predicament has in the past month been worsened with the aftermath of floods and government demolition of houses in riparian lands. In Mathare slums, we met desperate parents who want their children in school. Uncertain of the future, these children just want to attend school like any other children. In a very fragile environment that informal settlements pose, Christine Anyango, a mother of 2 girls and 1 boy, is worried of her children's future. They have been out of school for a month now.
Niko na watoto watatu. Wajaenda shule kwanza tangu ibomolewe. Tangu ibomolewe sasa inaelekea mwezi. Watoto hata sijui uniform ilikuwa wapi juu tingatinga ilibomolewa kama tuko kwa karibu. Public school ni mbali na hao watoto bado ni wadogo. Na hii njia yetu si mzuri, mvua ikinyesha kama huko karibu kuendea watoto mvua itaweza peleka watoto. Mimi nasikia vibaya sana juu naona watoto wako hapa. In case utaweza pata mtoto imerepiwa juu niko na msichana. Na hata watoto vijana wataingia kundi mbaya juu saa hiyo huko karibu.
With shortage of public schools in Nairobi, private schools in these ghettos, such as this ones, supplement the services, addressing the scarcity by accommodating children from the community. But even with school fees capped as low as 1,000 shillings per term, parents here are not able to afford it.
Kuna watoto wa saba. Lakini sasa hivi wawili ndio waendi shule. Hivi tu sasa under 6. Hao ndio waendi shule. Na kukubomolewa mimi niko tu hivi. Hata maisha yangu iko tu hivi. Kukula ni shida. Sina mzee, sina nini, kazi ni kibarua. Sasa ikakuwa uwezo yangu ni ndogo.
These rubbles are what is left of a once vibrant primary school that hosted over 300 pupils from this community in Mathare constituency, with the effects of floods and demolition leaving almost half the number of those students unable to attend school due to lack of school fees and basic learning materials. Kevin Juma, a maths teacher at private Daystar Primary School in Mathare, says the effects of floods and demolitions have led to a lack of education for the children, with those still in school reduced to intermittent classes in this squeezed shanty structure.
So far we have only 4 classes, and these 4 classes accommodating 280 pupils becomes a big challenge. So sometimes we categorize them. We make classes, others go out as we continue with the other classes. When they're out, others come in. So that's the situation, the system I've been using for the time being. We had some teachers who are volunteering, buying some books for a few, but still it becomes a stagnant because some you buy for them books, but fee becomes a problem. Some of them, their parents died during the floods.
Further to that, Juma is alluding to a fear of the situation pushing the pupils to the streets, selling scrap metals for sustenance.
You find a young kid working to get something that they can eat. Once you leave them in this slum, you find they go now looking for plastics, these irons, whatever, to go and sell.
According to a report by UNICEF, almost 500,000 children are still at home in temporary shelters, unable to resume classes countrywide as of May 2024. Bentura Kwamboka, K24, Nairobi.